EDC has been tremendously supporting entrepreneurship educators, including myself.
Orang macam family.
EDC terbaik. Thank you.
Thank you EDC.
Terima kasih kepada pihak EDC.
Menyediakan tempat untuk kami jual baju usaha pada hari ini.
Thank you EDC.
Thank you EDC.
Terima kasih EDC kerana menganjurkan program macam ni.
Thank you EDC for organize this event.
Thank you.
So mana-mana student yang ada hasrat atau nak buka perniagaan
Just go to the EDC in IIUM
yang terletak di bangunan main auditorium level 2.
EDC Dunia.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning I bid to everyone. I am Radi Izan from Kuliah of Education will be the MC for today's session. To begin our program, let us recite Surah Al-Fatihah together for blessings and a smooth session. Al-Fatihah. Amin Amin Ya Rabbal Alamin. Distinguished guests, Director of Entrepreneurship Development Center, IIUM, Madam Rusnani binti Yaakob, our respected speakers, it's Kalin, Official Canva Ambassador 2026, and dear staff, students, and aspiring entrepreneurs joining us online via YouTube for today's session. Welcome to Business Breakthrough with the topic From Data to Design Canva Sheets 101. We are truly delighted to have all of you with us this morning to see what promises to be an insightful and practical session for all of us, inshallah. In today's digital and business-driven world, data is everywhere, but transforming data into impactful and engaging design is what truly creates value to all of us. These sessions aim to equip participants with foundational knowledge and practical exposure to Canva Sheets, helping you to turn a raw data into meaningful visual presentation. Without further ado, it is my honor to introduce our speaker for today. She is an official Canva ambassador for 2026 and a passionate advocate for creative digital empowerment. Together with us today, it's Kalin. We are grateful to have you with us today to share your expertise and insights. And before we start, I would like to ask if you are comfortable for this session to be conducted in Malay or English or mix is also fine. So just up to you. We are good with everything, okay? With that, I would like to pass the floor to our respected speakers, Miss Kalin. So the floor is yours. Thank you.
Alright, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So first of all, thank you so much for our MC, Mr. Imzan. So before we start, izinkan kali untuk share screen dulu. Right, boleh nampak screen tak? Tak ada Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Boleh say hi sikit dekat ruangan chat. We want to see how many people join us for today. Boleh komen dekat ruangan chat dekat YouTube, okay? So, before we start our session today, izinkan saya untuk kenalkan dirilah. Orang kata tak kenal maka tak cinta kan? So, kalian yakin dan percaya ada sesetengah yang hadir pada sesi hari ini mungkin baru pertama kali. First time nampak kewujudan It's Kalin tu kan. So, izinkan kalian untuk perkenalkan diri sekali lagi. Okay, my name is Kalin. You can call me Kalin. I'm a certified trainer by HRD Corp. dan juga merupakan Canvassador yang diiktiraf oleh Canva itself dan juga merupakan salah seorang CapCut creator lah. Jadi kami di Kalin Academy, our expertise adalah untuk membantu dan educate people to maximize their tools such as Canva, CapCut, AI tools untuk mempercepatkan dan productivity untuk kerja-kerja harian diorang lah. Okay? Alright. Hi everyone. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, thank you so much. Alright. Okay, so before we start, can you share at this comment section, okay, what do you want to learn for our session today? Maybe you can share at the chat box section. Waalaikumsalam. Hi, Roslima. Hi. Thank you so much for joining us today. Alright, so maybe you can share at the chat box what do you want to learn for our session today. Alright, Izan, I tak reti guna sheet features dalam Canva lagi. Okay, alright. Anything else? Asmam Dali, saya tak jumpa sheet dalam akaun Canva saya. Oh, okay. Interesting. Alright, so basically everyone who joined us today focusing on learning data sheet, right? Okay. As you know, inside the Canva we have a new tools. We call it Canva Sheet. So Canva Sheet basically is totally like Google Sheet or Excel, but more to visual graphic lah. Okay, so that is the two different thing between Canva Sheet and other Google Sheet or Excel. So let's we go to inside the Canva. Okay, so when you go inside the Canva at the home section, okay, you akan nampak, you can see the sheet button here at the home page. So how to access the Canva sheet? You just click on the sheet button here. Then Canva will redirect directly to Canva sheet like this. So for those who join us today, you can open your Canva and do together with me lah. Alright, so what is the difference between Canva Sheet and Google Sheet or Excel? So basically, the first thing, okay, the main difference is this actions button. So if other sheets, usually we just import our data or just use manually. But in Canva, we have so many AI tools inside Canva Sheet that we can make our data more visualized and more easier. Okay, so let's we go inside the actions button. Alright, baik. Jumpa. Terima kasih. Alright, sama-sama. Okay. So the first one, we have import data. This is the basic things lah. Okay, which is you can import your data from everywhere else, such as Google Sheet, Excel, or other CSV file. You can import directly inside to Canva Sheet. So you just click import data, then you can see all the apps that integrate inside the Canva here. So if the apps is not here, you can just upload the data manually here. Okay, so you can upload the CSV file and the data will insert the Canva sheet automatically. So let's say you want to create something on the Canva sheet, but you don't know how to start. You don't know how to start, how to make the tables. You don't have any idea what table should be. So you can use this generate table function. Okay, so actually this is the magic, right? AI tools that we can use inside the Canva. You can just prompt or describe what kind of Canva sheet you want to do. So an example, you want to create a campaign tracker. Okay, so you just describe whatever sheets you want, or you can just click here. So an example, I want to create a campaign tracker. So I just click the campaign tracker. So the prompt will, you can see all the prompt here and just click generate. So automatically, AI will generate the table for you. So you can see this is for your reference or guidance to start from something lah. Okay, if you satisfied with the box with the table that they generate, you can just click insert button. If not, we have two choice. Okay, the first one is more like this. More like this is mean you want different answer. So AI will generate the second answer with different table sheet lah. Okay, or you okay with the first table but you want to adjust or improve a little bit. So you can choose the second button, which is this part. Okay, so maybe we can choose the second button, this part. Then we want to add new column. For status. And click generate. Okay, now you can see AI will regenerate the table and will add the new column that I asked them, which is status column. Okay, so after that, if you're satisfied with the result, you can just click insert button and boom. Easy, right? Senang tak? Senang tak? Okay, you can drop your comment or chat at the chat box. Senang tak nak guna Canva Sheet ni sebenarnya? It's so easy, right? So the generate table function help us to start from something lah. Okay. They will come up with the idea what kind of table that you can do for your specific sheet that you want. Okay, so the second the next features that we have is fill empty cells. So basically, fill empty cells is this is the magic, right? Tools also, but the function is to fill out the table. An example, I create a new column for caption, social media. Okay. Then the next one, I create the hashtag column. Okay. So I just add the two new column, but I don't have any idea what kind of caption or what kind of hashtag that I want. So you can just click all the boxes here. You can select the table. Then you can select the fill empty cells. And automatically, boom, AI will fill up the table with their suggestion of caption, social media, and hashtag. So basically, these features, the result or the answer will based on our topic column. Okay, so make sure you insert the title column first. Okay, like example, I create the caption, social media, and hashtag column. So they will generate based on our title. Then, if you're okay with the answer, just click insert and done. Simple as that. Alright. Asmam Dali, memula tadi tekan apa ya? Dekat bahagian mana tu? If you want to start using this button, okay, these features, you can just click at the actions button here. Then you will see all the features that we have inside the Canva Sheets. Okay? Alright, so far okay girl? Alright. Okay. So next, we have Magic Insight. So basically, Magic Insight is the AI tools and other AI tools. Usually all you see this feature here at the action button mostly is AI tools that we have inside the Canva Sheets. Okay, so next is Magic Insight. Magic Insight basically will summarize the data. So let's see, I choose the new sheet. Okay, we choose this. Okay. Alright, so basically, you can select here to select all the table. Then you can click at the Magic Insight. Then you can choose what kind of insight do you want. So let's say I want to summarize my data. So I just click this button. Then Canva will summarize my data based on the column that I select. So if you want the AI summarize all your data, you can select all the tables lah. But if you want to create insight for specific column, then you can select only that column. Alright, so you can see here, quick summary, spending, average, even Magic Insight create the chart. So this is from data to design, which is in Canva, we can easily convert our data into a visual chart like this. Okay, so let's say if you want to add this chart inside your data, you can just click here. Then automatically the chart will add inside your charts. Inside your data like this. Okay, so let's say you want to adjust, edit the colors. You can just choose up here. Okay, you can edit the color. Even you can click the edit button. You can see here, you can change the chart design. Okay, so this is the pie chart. So let's say I want to change to line chart. Then I just click the line charts and boom. Easy. Okay. So here we also have the data that we select here, and even you can customize all the details, yes lah. Okay. Alright. Okay, jumpa. Terima kasih. Alright, sama-sama. Okay, so basically for this magic chart, usually you will see the button inside the actions button. Okay, below the fill empty cells, they have the magic charts. So you can click there to create the magic chart. But my account, I don't know why, but my account today, the magic charts button is missing. So I don't know why. But if your account have the magic chart button, you can just simply click that magic charts button to generate a chart based on your data. Okay. Oh, if your account also missing, the button is also missing, you can just use the magic insight, or you can use the chart at the elements section. Okay. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so let's see. I want to create a chart for this column. Okay, these 3 column only. So I select the table. Then I go to elements. Then I click at the chart section. Then you can see all the different charts. You can choose any chart that you want. So let's say I want to choose the pie chart. Sorry, the donuts. Then I just click the donuts and boom. Simple as that. So you can see the donut charts the data is same with the table that I choose. Okay. Right. So that is how you convert or you generate the visual chart based on your data. Alright, so if you have any question about the Canva sheet, you can just drop your question at the chat section, okay? So next. Okay, we're back to this table. So let's say your data needs to convert to different type of language. Okay, so you don't have to translate one by one because we have one tools that can automatically generate or translate our data in less than 5 seconds. So how to do that? Just simply you add the new button. You add the new column. Then you select the column that you want to translate. Let's say I choose the caption social media and I go to action button and I choose translate. Okay, so here you can see we can choose different type of language. So let's say I want to translate to Arabic. So I just choose Arabic. Okay, then some of the language we can choose a tone of voice like this. So we can choose either we want a friendly voice, informative, or simply original, the straightforward lah. Okay, so let's say I want to choose the friendly. Then I just translate. We can add to the new column. And boom. In less than 5 seconds, settle. So easy, right? Even you can generate another language, different type of language, more than one language. Okay, just do the same step like I showed you before. So let's say I choose the Malay, then I click the add to the new column and done. Settle. So my caption have 3 different type of language. Okay, so that's how you can bulk generate to translate your data. Alright, so far macam mana? Okay ke everyone? Okay. Alright. So next, we also have the basic tools that we can use inside the Google Sheet, Excel, which is we have the drop down function, we have the mention, dates, chat box, even we can embed or inside the link inside the table. Okay, so let's say you want to use the drop down, just select the drop down. And you can custom the drop down or you can just use the preset drop down here. Okay, so let's say I want to use the status. So I just click and done. So you can choose the status here like this. Okay. Alright. Okay, so next, let's see. You want to calculate the table. Okay, so we have 3 ways to do or to insert the formula. Okay, the first one, you just simply select this table. Okay, make sure you only select the numbers table only. Okay, because this features only works on numbers. So you select this column, automatically you can see this button over here. Okay, you can see the auto formula that we can use. Okay, so the first we have the sum formula, average, minimum, maximum, and fill. So let's say you want to use the sum button. Then sum formula, you just click the copy, then you paste here. Okay. So let's say I adjust the numbers, and you will see the number will change because this is the formula that Canva already set up for us. Okay, simply as that. Number 2, or you can simply just click the action button and choose the formula. So make sure you select the column first. Okay, you select the table that you want to insert the formula, then you can choose this formula button. So this is the manually lah. Okay, if you already knows the formula, you can use this function. If you like me, you are not remember any formulas, okay, you can just use these magic formulas. Which is magic formulas is AI tools that can help us to generate the formula. So let's see. I want to create a formula here. But I don't know the formula. I'm not remember the formula. So I can just use this magic formula and describe what kind of formula that I want. So let's say I want create an average amount and time. So magic formula will generate the formula for us that you can simply inside to the table. And done. Simply as that. Okay. So in Canva Sheet, you don't have to worry. You don't have to remember any formula. You can just simply use magic formulas. Just describe or prompt what kind of formula that you want, and the Canva itself will generate the formula for you. Simple as that. So that is one of the best tools that I love inside the Canva Sheet, because whenever I use Google Sheets or Excel, I always need to watch the videos how to create a formula. Okay, so but with magic formula is much easier to create a formula inside the Canva Sheets. Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam. Hi everyone, waalaikumsalam. Thank you for joining our session today. If you have any question about Canva Sheets, you can just drop your question inside the chat box. Okay. All right. So that is one of the best tools that we can use inside the Canva Sheets. Then if you see at the pop-up function here. This is the basic tools or features that you can use lah. Such as you can choose the color, background color, you can choose the text color, even you can choose the font, you can insert the alignment and everything. Okay, so let's say you want to merge the column. You just simply select the table, then you right click, then you can see another features here, like merge cells. So you just click that, automatic the table will merge. Okay, example. So other than merge cells, you can see this is another features that we can add inside our column lah. Okay, you can use the filter function or sort inside the column. Next, so how to generate the visual data, then embed that data inside your slide presentation or document. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so first, let's create the slide presentation first. You can choose any slide presentation that you want, or you can select the templates at the design section. So let's say I choose the report lah. Okay, so let's say I choose this. Okay, so here I want to insert the data from my Canva sheet here. So how to do that? You just click the visual chart here, click copy and paste. Ta-da! Simple as that. Okay, so even you can edit the background here. All right, okay. Let me change the... Okay. So let's say you want to adjust the data, okay? So let's say I change the number here, 200 to 20. You will see these charts will change based on the updated data. But here, still same, right? So how to update the data? You just simply choose the charts. At the edit button, you just click at refresh data. And done. Easy peasy. Haha. Alright, so Haila, can we export the sheet? Yes, of course, you can. If you see, okay, if you open the Canva Sheets, you can see the share button at the top here. Then you can choose the download and you can choose any file that you want. Either you want to download as a CSV file, Excel file, or even you want to download as a PDF, also can. Then you can import the data into the Canva sheet, into the Google Sheet or Excel. Smart ready. I like the part that can visualize. Yes. If you never use the Canva sheet, please, please try Canva sheets after this, because the Canva sheet is so So perlu login Canva Pro ke untuk buat data? So Alisha, you don't need a Canva Pro to use Canva Sheet, but at the action button, you can see some of the features have the crown button. So if you are using a free account, some of the features like this, you cannot use lah. So if you want to use the translate, barcode, or apply the brand kit, you need to have a Canva Pro or others Canva account that paid version lah. Okay. Right, so Aila, can we share the link so that everyone with the link can edit? Of course. Of course, we can do that. We can do that. Same as like we design, okay? Even in Canva sheet, we can share these sheets to others, to our team, and we can edit together at the same time. So how to do that? You simply just click the share button and you can see here at the access level, you can choose the anyone with the link and make sure you choose can edit. Okay. Then you just simply copy link and paste or share at with your team lah. So your team can join the Canva sheet and they can edit the data together. Alright. Okay, so this is how you embed your data into your slide presentation, your document, or even your website. Also, you can import the data like this. Okay, just note that every time you change or edit the data inside the Canva sheet, you need to refresh the data here. Okay, or else the data will change to the latest update lah. Right, so that is some of the features that we can use inside the Canva sheet. And what I can say is Canva sheet is something different, which we can use Canva sheet to turn our data into a design, into a visualized data. Okay, can we share? Can it connect with Power BI? For now, we cannot do that. I think maybe you can export the data. Maybe you can try to export this data and upload inside the Excel or sheet first, then convert to Power BI. Alright, so maybe we can open to Q&A session. Izan, maybe we can open the Q&A session.
Wait, let's take a look if there are some comments on YouTube Live. Okay, the last question is that, the one that you read before, can it connect with Power BI? And you just answered that. Macam mana nak buat form? Orang boleh isi terus masuk dalam ke sheet. Ha.
Oh, okay. That one is so interesting. Wait, let me show you. Okay, as Dali, first you need to generate the form first lah. So how to create the form? We have two different ways. First, you can simply create the form manually inside the Canva. So you can choose any type of design that you want. So if you ask me, I will suggest you can choose the website sizing lah. So it's much easier to publish the form. Then you can just add the form form button at the element section. You can see here. Mana hilang dah. Here. Okay. This one. Form. You just click at the element section, then you can see this form button. So you just choose any template that you want. So let's say I want to create a reservation. So I just simply add this reservation. Okay. Alright. Then you can edit the question. You can adjust the color, everything lah. So once ready, you can publish the website. Then the link, you can blast the link or to the participant. So once participant fill out the reservation, the data will automatically connect to the Canva sheet. Okay, so let's say like this. Here, reservation. All right. So once your participant fill out the form, you can see here, link to sheets. So you just click link to sheets button. Then the data will automatically fill out here. So you can see all the data at the Canva sheet. Okay, that is the first way, manually. Other than that, you can use Canva code, which is one of the best features inside the Canva. Okay, so you go to home button, then you can see Canva AI button here. Just click the Canva AI, choose the code, then describe what kind of form that you want. So let's see. This is one of the feedback form that I just create before this. Okay, see. Like this. It's more beautiful and visualized lah, because the AI will generate the design for you. So you just prompt or describe what type of form do you want. And same like the first one, this form will automatically connect to the Canva sheet like this. Okay? Ya Allah, best. Terima kasih. Sama-sama. Welcome.
Okay, can
Alright.
can EDC share the screen with the participant? I think after we finish with this session, the video will automatically uploaded in the YouTube channel as well. Okay, so don't worry, we can rewatch it again and again. Okay, is there any other question through Zoom ke? Zoom is not. True. Okay, the person must have Canva app for them to answer the form. Yeah. Next question, Miss Kalin. The person must have Canva apps for them to answer the form.
No, you don't need a Canva apps to answer the form.
Okay. Other question? Thank you, Shahmi Zalani, for the question. Anyone with any question? So I would like to say thank you for all those people that are watching us right now. It's around 64 viewers, and since the beginning of the program, we have around 50 to 70-ish participants joining us through YouTube. live. You can, okay, if form customer satisfaction survey, boleh juga terus masuk ke sheet from Mazlina Mustafa.
Alright, Mazlina, if from customer, yes, of course. Every form, tak kisahlah form apa-apa sekalipun yang you create inside the Canva, the form will auto connected to Canva Sheet.
Okay, next. Daripada Khair Ikwan. Does the Canva has feature for client to make a payment?
Wah, I like this question. Okay, Khairi Ikwan, so for now, Canva don't have any features or tools that we can generate the payment gateway, but we do have a trick that we can a trick to do that lah. Okay, so basically what I do is I just create the website, then let me show you lah sekejap. Okay, let's say I do the website here. Then at my website, I create the buy now button. So basically, we can embed any links that we want inside the Canva. So what I do is, I just embed the payment link inside this button. So let's say example, I do have some payment link that I have. So let's say I copy this link. Then I click at the buy now button, click at the more and insert the link here. And you just paste the payment link here and done. So whenever you publish the website, okay, let me show you how. Okay, when you publish the website, the button will active lah. So whenever you click the buy now button, automatically they will redirect to our payment link here. So our client or customer can make the payment here lah. Okay. So dah ala-ala tu iklan kejap lah Izan
Boleh, boleh. Sila.
So actually we do have a new workshop coming up. Okay, create and convert series, which we share and we guide how to create a website, payment link, sales page, landing page, or website for your business lah. Okay, using a Canva code. So if you're interested to join and want to learn more how to create a payment link inside the Canva, so you can join our workshop lah next week. Okay, selingan So, Khairi Ikwan menjawab tak persoalan? Oh, dekat YouTube dia delay sikit kan?
Tu, Miss Kalin ada Asmam Dali tanya, macam mana nak join the session yang you promote just now?
Okay, jap. Minta izin untuk share link
Tak ada masalah.
Evaluation form ada tak? Of course ada. Any type of form, website you can make using a Canva code. Khairi Ikwan, yep, thank you. Okay, welcome. Ada lagi ke soalan?
I rasa untuk YouTube kita dah tak ada soalan.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any last words, Miss Kalin, before we end the session?
Alright. So before we end, I want to say thank you to EDC for the invitation, and hopefully what we learned today semua sedikit will improve your knowledge about Canva Sheet, and you can maximize the tools inside the Canva Sheet. And before we end, I want to share the QR lah. If you want to connect with me on social media, you can just scan the QR code. And you can DM me to ask any question about Canva. InsyaAllah, I will answer your DM. Don't worry. And I think that's all from me. Thank you so much, Izan.
Okay, thank you very much to our speaker, Miss Kalin, for the insightful and inspiring session just now. I'm sure that all of us have gained valuable knowledge on how to transform data into an impactful design using Canva Sheets. Okay, to all participants, with the hope that this session benefits you in your academic, professional, and entrepreneurial journey. And don't forget to fill in the I attend through the chat box and evaluation form that has just been sent through the chat box also. So kalau nak dapat point, just isi the form, okay? Don't forget, okay? Okay. Other than that, to all the participants, we have some good news to all the participants and join. Please be informed that Okay, kita boleh scan dulu I attend dengan program evaluation form untuk those participants, students and staff yang nak isi. Okay. Boleh tangkap gambar je pergi isi. Okay, kita move on. So iklan, kita ada iklan juga untuk EDC. Please be informed that EDC in collaboration with FFMC will be organizing a training on full body massage, okay? Master full body massage in just one day. Join Express Medical Spa Workshop on 21st February 2026, 21 hari bulan 2, 2026, 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. located at Glam Hub Beautypreneur UIA Gombak. So, untuk training ni, it only costs around 20 to 250 ringgit, 250 ringgit per pax, okay? And you guys akan dapat sijil, open to all, please reserve your seat now. And for more information, please visit our social media, EDCIIUM. Okay, ingat, visit our social media, EDCIIUM, to see more training and also workshops relating to our entrepreneurial field. Okay. Before we conclude, it is my pleasure to invite the Director of Entrepreneurship Development Center, RIUM, Madam Rusnani binti Yaakob, to deliver the closing remarks. With that, please welcome the director herself, Madam Rusnani.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. On behalf of EDC team, thank you for joining our session from data to design by Kalin. Kalau nak tahu, Kalin ni anak salah seorang staff UIA ni. So kita sangat bangga lah. And then definitely your presence and engagement will make this session meaningful. Then a special appreciation to Kalin juga for the insightful sharing and practical perspective that transform data into a creative possibilities. Dan untuk saya nak info semua, kita training ni teaser je kan, sebab kita banyak training digital marketing. Sebab kita as e-hub, e-usahawan hub, there are numbers of digital trainings under MDEC yang collab dengan EDC. So for more engagement sessions, do visit our social media, our website semua. InsyaAllah memang sangat aktif lah untuk digital punya training ni. So Kalin, insyaAllah kita akan berkolaborasi lagi. So jangan serik-serik lah untuk berkolaborasi dengan EDC. Thank you
InsyaAllah.
semua. Okay. Alright, thank you. Thank you Izan, MC Abang Karim, Ramadan Mubarak semua.
Okay, baik. Thank you, Madam Rusnani. So before we end the session, I would like to ask everyone to stay for a while for our photography session. Boleh ke? Husna ready
Boleh.
taruh gambar Husna. Okay. Okay. Husna kira. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boleh ke, Husna? Okay, I rasa dah boleh tu. Okay. I guess that's all for today's session.
Sorry, Izan.
Yeah?
One more time.
Yeah?
Mana lagi
Okay,
sekali.
one more time. Okay. Okay, kita boleh cuba lagi sekali ya. Kira in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, boleh ke Una?
Thank you
Okay, okay. Thank you, Izan.
Okay, good. Okay. I guess that's all for today's session. See you again and bye everyone. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.